Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about Wix versus WordPress website. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. In this video, we're going to be comparing Wix and WordPress. We'll be looking at customization, pricing, SEO, support, and more. Whether you want to build a blog or an online business, you'll need to learn how to make a website. And if you're trying to compare Wix versus WordPress, you might find it difficult to decide which platform is the right choice for you. And that's what this video is for. Let's start by looking at Wix. Wix is considered a website builder and offers over 800 pre-designed templates. Whether you're building a business, blog, or hobby website, you can find a layout that meets your needs. Each template comes with a built-in pages, and all you have to do is replace the default content with your own. You can also add new elements such as social media buttons, videos, and lists. Wix provides an artificial design intelligence or an ADI tool that can automatically suggest a website design based on your information, making the process even easier. However, keep in mind that once you choose a design, you cannot switch to a different template without creating an entirely new website. So let's dive deeper onto how Wix works. Starting off with signing up. You'll just need to click on the Get Started button. Then right after that, you'll be able to see the sign up screen wherein you can type your email, password, or you could try to connect it with Google or Facebook. Right after, you'd be able to see the setup screen where it helps you set up with the right tools. What you'll need to do in here is just answer the questions that are being asked so that they would be able to find in the best tools that suits your needs. Next up is the dashboard. So right after that signing up process, you'll be headed to the dashboard. So in the dashboard, you'd be able to see a welcome screen wherein you'd be able to see the steps on setting up your business. So you can use that one as a guide in setting up your business. But before we delve in deeper into the features, let's take a look onto the pricing plans first. In terms of pricing, Wix offers different plans starting at $16 per month, depending on your needs. So for e-commerce, you'll need to offer a higher price plan, and with Wix, you can create an online store with features like secure online payments, unlimited products, and subscriptions. However, keep in mind that Wix charges transaction fees on top of the price plan. So you can see there are 5 plans available: the Enterprise, Business Elite, Business, Core, and Lite. So take time to look onto the details regarding this one so that you'd be able to see which plan do you prefer. And take a look as well in here on how the billing cycle works. Now going back to the dashboard, let's try to design the website. So there are 2 options. You have the option to create a site for you or to customize a design template. So let's try to pick a template in here. Wix offers a lot of pre-designed templates, so you'll just need to choose one, and you can try to view it first before you could edit it. Then once you're ready, just click on Edit this site. You'll be redirected to the editing page, and as you can see, you are welcomed by the AI to write your site content. So just need to follow in or type in the answers in there, and they would be able to make the content for you. You'll just need to click on Create Site Text and then let the AI magic works for you. But if you want to do it manually, you don't have to worry, since you can see on the left side the different tools that you can use to edit your page. So make use of those tools, and once you're done, just click on Publish. Now let's move on to WordPress. WordPress is the most popular content management system available and powers over 455 million websites on the internet. It started as a blogging platform but is now used for various types of online content. One of the main advantages of WordPress is its open source nature, allowing anyone to create, edit, and share WordPress software. Now let's take a look onto the signing up process. So like Wix, you'd be able to see a similar page wherein you can put in your email, username, and password. Also, you can try to connect it with Google or Apple ID. So once you've signed up, they'll ask you to choose a domain, but you have the option to choose your domain later. Right after that, you'd be able to see the different plans that they offer. Let's just click on Free. You'd be able to see similar questions like the questions you've seen on Wix. So you just need to answer those so that they'll be able to set up your account onto the best tools that are suited for you. So you're also offered a similar guide in setting up your account. And right after that, you'd be able to see WordPress dashboard. So scrolling a bit on the dashboard, you'd be able to see the themes. WordPress offers over 9,000 free themes, providing a wider variety of flexible options for customization, wherein you can choose a theme and customize it using the block editor and full site editing. Now let's take a look on how the plans and pricing in WordPress works. WordPress plans offers more value for cost, with plans providing a higher storage capacity at a lower price than Wix. You can turn your WordPress website into an online store by installing the WooCommerce plugin. So take a look onto the different plans available. We have 6 in here: the free, personal, premium, business, commerce, and enterprise. So feel free to skim through all of the details in there so that you'd be able to see which one do you prefer. Now going back, let's try to personalize or build a website here on WordPress. So you could add an icon, also the site name, or you could provide a brief description regarding your site, and then just click continue. So up next, like Wix, you have two options. So you can design on your own, or you could choose a pre-designed template to customize. So once you've chosen, you click on it, then you'll be redirected to the editing page for the boot. So here on editing page, you have a lot of options. You can try to change the fonts first. Then you can also customize depending on to the device that you want to view the site on. Then click continue. Then you'll be redirected back again to the guide. So you'll just need to check what is the next step, and that is choose a domain. And since we still did not choose a plan, we could try to skip that one out. So after that is to write your post. So this is a common activity of WordPress admin users. So you'll just need to put in a more like a blog or an article so that you'd be able to proceed. So the last part is editing the site design. So you'll be redirected to the main editing page. So you have there a lot of tools to choose from so that you could edit the site. And then right after all of this, you could just click on save. So in conclusion, both Wix and WordPress have their advantages and are suitable for different needs. Wix is beginner-friendly with its straightforward website building process, while WordPress offers more customization options and flexibility. I hope this Wix versus WordPress guide tutorial has helped you understand the features of each platform better. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, like, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell to support the channel and stay up to date with everything related to web hosting. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.